though, peoples? It's your boy Kid Rex, and it's time to react to another requested video by, is it ssansmat? Ssansmat, my bad. Ssansmat. He has like a cat picture on his profile. I see, bro. This video is called AOA Like A Cat. Let's see what this is all about, shall we? So, 3, 2, 1, start. She is cute. That girl right there? Yes. Whew. Cute as fuck. So fine, man. I'm fucking stupid. Loving this video. That is so cute, man. So cute. Oh my god. Kinky. Yes! 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 I'm loving this video.
We fly high. 오늘 밤은 안고도 높이 날아가죠. 구름이 달리면 내 손이 닿을 수 있게. 사뿐히 날 돌리는 날
cute. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh man. Oh my god. Yo. Oh man. Oh my freaking goodness. That was so fucking cute, man. Oh my god, they look so good. Wait a minute. Give me some time. Yeah. Okay, so ignore what I just did. So I just want to first of all say thank you, ssansmat, for sending me the name of that. Cause that by far, I am like in this girl group. AOA is probably my favorite K-pop, female K-pop group so far. I just think the cat shit is so cute, especially when Asian girls do it. But oh my god, ooh, girls was your boy. Yes. I'm gonna have to go ahead and end the video because I'm losing my thought process right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, share, definitely subscribe to my channel, and also the link to the original video will be in the description. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, my peoples.
I guess I gotta say this shit in Spanish. Like, girl, let them know who your man is. Tried to use my manners, you didn't wanna compare, yeah. Fuck it from sexist. Sex is what keep you guessing, and I probably got you stressing when I'm not up in your section. But you can find